and I assume that it's the middle of the semester. And now let's begin. Today I will talk about what we are using every day, the internet. Does everyone know what is internet?
I wouldn't want to give a definition.
Anything to describe this.
A lot of computers connected together.
Yes, that's one way to describe it. Actually, there are several ways to answer the questions. And one way is that internet is a computer network that interconnects hundreds of millions of computing devices through the world. And at first, they are just computers, and then the laptops joined in. During the last decades, a lot of non-traditional devices, such as cell phone, TVs, and web cameras, and even automobiles are connected to the internet. So internet is not just a network for only computers. And all these devices that connected to the internet are called end systems. It's like they are the end user of the internet. I will list all the devices now we are using in the internet. But do you know how can these devices connect to the internet? For example, the desktop computers. Usually they connect to the internet through the twisted pairs, the one kind of the cable. What about the laptops? Does anyone know? How can they connect to the internet?
Wireless nodes. Use your wireless.
Yes, Wi-Fi. Exactly. And for cell phone, they connect to the internet through the cellular network. So different kind of end systems connect to the internet through different links. And does anyone know who is on the other end of the link? This side.
Provider. Internet provider.
Internet.
The provider.
Yes. It's called ISP. Internet Service Provider. Internet Service Provider provides internet access to all the end systems, and AT&T and Comcast are among those ISPs in the USA. Also, ISP provides internet access to the content provider, such as Facebook and Google. And this part of the internet is called access network. there's a problem for the ISP, for the access network, that it's quite slow. And if hundreds of millions of end systems connect to the internet at the same time, there will be a traffic jam. So there's another part of the internet which is called core network. Core network is the backbone of the internet. And the main devices in the core network is called router. The main responsibility of the router is to transfer data through the internet at a very high speed. But how can this router transfer data? How can this router know to where to send this data? Does anyone know? Oh, there's an address tagged on each of the packet of the data. And this destination address is IP address. And according to this IP address, the router knows how to transfer this data. So we've talked about two parts of the internet, the access network and the core network. And in all, they can provide not only a variety of links to connect to the internet, but also can transfer the data at a very fast speed. And that's all for the internet. And from next lecture, I will introduce the IP address.